Good morning, Love Notions friends. This is Tessa here, and I just wanted to pop on very quickly for a very quick video to share about something that we're doing special at Love Notions right now. So if you like sewing patterns, if you like print sewing patterns, and if you like special sewing gadgets, I think you better stick around for a second. You might notice that I'm wearing something a little bit different. I am wearing a couple of our special patterns that we have on our feature collection sale right now. So I'm wearing the Clearwater top, which is part of our swim collection. And I'm also wearing the Summer Key bottoms, which are a wide leg shorts, capri, and pant pattern. I paired these together today. I was looking at our collection that we have, and I was like, oh, that would make such a great little capsule. I do have a Geneva jacket paired over it because it's chilly in the studio right now. But I just thought that would make a cute little capsule wardrobe, great for like a pool day, and a great way to show that there's lots of ways that you can make combinations of swim and summer patterns with this collection that we have. So if you missed it, we are taking all of our summer and swim patterns, or our select summer and swim patterns at Love Notions, and they are all marked down to $5 right now. The print options are marked down to $18, which is $5 off the regular price with flat rate shipping. And we also have a course available for sewing swim, and that's marked down to $15, regularly $25. So we have a lot of fun things going on for summer and swim sewing at Love Notions. And I am so thankful for all of the many comments that I got on the last video talking about content request ideas for things that you want to know about sewing with swim and sewing for summer. So expect to see some fabric shopping videos coming up soon, and you had just so many great ideas in there that I'm just going to be mining from throughout the next few days. So get your hands on our summer and swim collection and have some fun with this new approach that we're taking at Love Notions. Today, I wanted to just really quickly go in and talk about what's included in a print sewing pattern from Love Notions. And I'm also going to be including a special little treat inside of a few of our print patterns for those who order in the next few days. So the print patterns at Love Notions, I think, are really special. The regular price for them is $23 plus a $6 flat rate shipping. So that means that no matter how many patterns that you order, you will get a flat rate shipping. And I think they're a great value. I don't think that you can get a print pattern printed off at a printing service for less than this price right now, and it includes the digital version. So let me take a second and just show you. We have two print patterns that are on special right now. It is the Summer Basics Tank and Dress, which is great for summer sewing. They could be made in a swim fabric as easily as they could be made in a light to medium weight knit fabric. It does have a built-in bra option, maxi length dress, knee length dress, regular tank. It has a cute binding that you apply for both the neckline and the arm side, and it's just a quick, easy summer sew. The other option that we have for our print patterns is the Clearwater, and this one has a ton of print pages, so it's such an incredible value. It is $18 on our special price right now. It includes a swim dress with these just incredible like princess seam details on the front and the back, a tankini, a sports bra kind of top, like a bikini top, which is what I'm wearing right now, biker shorts, and briefs. And so if you are nervous about sewing swim, it's like a lot of pieces. It's a lot of kind of figuring things out. There's also the course that's available on special right now as well. So let's dive into one of these patterns and see what it looks like on the inside. They come in a reclosable bag, which I think is really handy because you can always just cut out what you need and then put everything that you don't, everything back into the bag. I love, first of all, that the pattern, it has two pieces. It has all of the print pages, and then it has this really handy booklet. So you've got like this beautiful image. This is Elsie, one of our favorite ambassadors ever. Make sure that you follow her. And then on the back, you've got all of your sizing and fabric references that you need. And then it's got just like a really nice, handy, clear printed booklet with all of our pattern assembly steps, and our finished measurement charts, just like links to videos and stuff. And so I think that this is going to be really helpful to have right beside you as you sew, just all of the different views and options with all of the instructions and help there for you. So I love having this booklet. And then we've got all of the pattern pieces just printed out clearly, labeled for you. So there's no issue with you, having to print at home with all of these pieces and all of the assembly. No taping required. You get to do this all yourself. One tip that I like to do is take these sheets and go take them to the ironing board, and on a low heat with no steam, I iron these out, and then I can either take some Swedish tracing paper and then trace out all of my pattern pieces, or I can cut right here on this if I just need one size. So I love that you can kind of get all of the different sizes, and all of the print patterns include the digital version as well. I think we're the only company that does that, where you get both the digital version as well as the print version. And this paper is just a really nice high quality paper that is manipulatable and usable, but it also is sturdy, So really nice high quality print for those print pattern pages. So I'm going to put those all back inside here. And remember that we also have the Summer Basics on special right now, which is our other print pattern that's on special. So same deal, you get the instruction booklet, all of the print pages, just printed out really clearly and beautifully that you can either trace off or just cut right onto those large format sheets. Now, one thing I decided to do, just because it's always nice to have a fun little treat hidden inside some of these, and I thought, what better thing to share with our Love Notions friends than one of the tools that we had made. So I love this tool. This is a seam gauge, and I like to keep mine at the sewing machine with me. We put the 3/8 seam allowance really prominent on here. Sometimes the 3/8 seam allowance gets hidden in one of these little markings inside here. And we actually we contacted Katrinkles, who made these for us. We commissioned them to make the 3/8 seam allowance really prominent. You can just hold it right there as you're sewing. And so actually what I'm gonna do, just for a special little bonus, I kind of feel like Charlie and the Chocolate Factory right now with like the golden tickets. I am taking 4 of our seam gauges that we had left from Sew Expo, and I am including them as a special treat inside of a few of our patterns that I'm going to put out in the mail for those who order in the next day or two. So I have a box over here, a big box of all of our orders that we have to ship from yesterday, and I just think it would be fun to hide a few of these seam gauges inside of any orders that are placed in the next day or two. So it could be you that gets one of these lovely little seam gauges to help with your sewing. We talked before about making these seam gauges available just in general in the Love Notions website, in our stock at our shop, and we had a few left over, and I thought how fun to put these as a special treat for a few people who order in the next few days. So I've already got a bunch ready to ship out from yesterday, and let's see if anyone orders a couple patterns today. You might get to have a seam gauge included. A little bit of a close-up on some of the print sewing patterns that we have available at Love Notions. In case you missed the lineup of Summer and Swim that we have as our part of our feature pattern collection right now, we have Summer Key bottoms for ladies and girls. We have the kayak board shorts. We have Summer Basics tank and dress, as well as the Clearwater Summer Essentials for ladies and girls. We're also featuring the course for Sewing Swim, as well as those 2 print patterns for Clearwater and Summer Basics. So we have a lot of patterns that I think you could make some great use out of, and in the next few days, expect to see some summer capsule sewing, expect to see some live sewing. I'm sewing up some pieces for my daughter. I'm using this cute fabric. I'm going to show you a couple places to sew for, to shop for swim fabric, and I'm going to keep going through the list of requests that you guys put in my last video. So make sure that you follow along, subscribe, comment here, tell the algorithm that you want to see stuff like this so that you can always be aware of the resources that are available for you as you sew with Love Notions. Bye.